Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up Android Auto on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Android Auto. Now from here, tap on connect a vehicle. Now as you can see, there are two methods to connect your smartphone with your vehicle. You can either connect your smartphone wirelessly or you can connect your phone with a cable. Now let's check the wireless option first. Now to do that, just tap on connect using wireless Android Auto. Now from here, there are two options to connect your phone wirelessly to your vehicle. You can either press a button on the steering wheel on your car to connect your phone with your vehicle. Or if your car does not have this button on the steering wheel, you can just tap on connect using Bluetooth and you can connect your car with your smartphone wirelessly. And this option will work if your car supports wireless Android Auto. Now just tap on pair a vehicle. Now from here, as you can see, it has started scanning, and if it detects your car, the name of your car will appear on the screen. Just tap on the name of your car to connect your car with your phone wirelessly. Now, if your car does not support the wireless Android Auto feature, just go back. Now from here, as you can see, you can connect your smartphone with your car using a cable. Just connect one end of the cable to the charging port of your smartphone and connect the other end of the cable to your car to connect your car with your smartphone. And this is how you can set up Android Auto on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.